Like humans, our pets are prone to accidents and illnesses, but can't always show us when something's wrong. Some animals are good at hiding pain, so it's important to check them carefully for early signs of any problems. Start by running your hands over your pet to check for any lumps and bumps. Their coat should be free of flaky skin, inflamed areas, and bald patches too. Next, it's on to their eyes and ears. Eyes should be bright and clear with no redness, while ears should be clean and fresh with no wax or stinky smells. Their nose should be shiny and slightly moist, so make sure there's no crusting on the surface. It's also worth checking their teeth for plaque if they've got bad breath. Lastly, look over your pet's nails for any splits or grass seeds, and if you notice any changes in their appetite or digestion, then it's a good idea to give the vet a call. First Vet can give you advice about all aspects of your pet's health and well-being, from common conditions and first aid to preventative care and nutrition. The service is open 24/7, 365 days per year. In an emergency, try to remain calm while assessing the situation. If urgent medical care is needed, contact your vet by telephone before taking your pet to the surgery. As a Co-op customer, consultations with First Vet are covered by your policy for free, and 65% of cases are solved at home. To learn more about how we can help protect your furry friend, visit our website.